Investing is all about learning how to make your money work for you. And whether you are getting into stock and bonds, real estate investments, or cryptocurrency, your goal in investing is building wealth through passive income. Investing is a crucial step in working towards a comfortable retirement too. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys 10 different ways to invest $100. If you're new to investing or just thinking about getting started, you may think you need a substantial chunk of money ready to begin. Nope. The truth is, you can get started investing with just $100 and easily turn that into $1,000 in seemingly no time at all. The best thing you can do in terms of investing, it's not start big, it's start now. Welcome money finders. So, if you're new to this channel, our channel is all about making money, saving money, and investing money on the road to financial freedom. So if you're interested in learning more ways on how to make, save, and invest money, make sure you subscribe to our channel and like this video. So, instead of waiting until you have $1,000 to invest $100 to make $1,000. Here are 10 easy ways to get started. Number 1. Start with high interest savings accounts. The easiest and most flexible way to begin your investment adventure is actually to start saving your money in a high-yield savings account. If you have $100 to your name, but you don't have an extra cash for emergency expenses, then your best bet for now is saving that money. However, you can easily earn a better rate of return with a high-yield savings account from an online bank. This type of savings account works like other savings account from a traditional bank. Setting up an account is a breeze, and the biggest difference is that you can earn a higher interest rate on your deposits. How it works. The best online savings account from banks like CIT Bank, Discover, and Ali Bank offer exceptionally high interest rates when compared to the national average of just 0.04%. Just make sure you compare accounts until you find an option with the perks you want and no hidden fees. Number 2. Buy savings bonds. Savings bonds can be a safe investment for those who are risk averse. You can purchase a savings bond at face value and earn interest when it matures. Bonds can be cashed in anytime, but the longer you wait, the more valuable a bond gets. Some bonds can be double in value by their maturity date. The two types of savings bonds are I-savings bonds and EE-savings bond. Each has advantages and disadvantages. For example, I-savings bonds earn money during high inflation, but you aren't guaranteed to double your investment like with EE-savings bonds. You can buy bonds for as low as $50 a piece, making them one of the best ways to start investing with just $100. Number 3. Start a side hustle. One of the best ways to invest $100 is to start a side hustle. There are many side hustles you can put your $100 into for much greater returns. You can be a pet sitter, a tutor, or even purchase items and flip them on Facebook Marketplace or eBay to make a profit. Depending on your side hustle, you can earn hundreds to thousands of dollars per month. This is one investment with serious potential to increase your income streams, no matter what the stock market is up to. Number 4. Try peer-to-peer lending. Did you know you can lend out money and make interest on it? That's what peer-to-peer lending is. These loans are funded by people directly, which cuts out financial institutions. People that borrow on peer-to-peer lending sites are searching for personal loans for things such as debt consolidation. The higher the loan risk, the higher the interest you will earn. So, your earnings depend on what types of loans you participate in. Also, you want to research the percentage of defaults before choosing a company. There are many peer-to-peer lenders, but some require higher amounts to invest. However, Prosper lets you start investing with just $25. Number 5. Open a CD. No, not a compact disc. Credit unions and banks offer a CD or certificate of deposit account, which means they pay you interest for leaving your money deposited into the CD for a certain amount of time. For example, you could invest $100 in a CD for 1 year and be paid interest on that amount when it matures. You won't get rich off the interest on this particular investment, but it's an excellent way to get started, and soaking your money away in a CD is a great way to keep from spending it too. Number 6. Buy fractional shares. Some stock shares are too expensive for beginner investors to take part in. However, you can buy fractional shares at a specified dollar amount rather than the full share cost. This enables you to diversify your investment portfolio with less money. For instance, you can purchase a fractional share for $100 or even invest in several companies at $25 a piece. This is the perfect way for a beginner to start investing. Number 7. Start an emergency fund. One of the most important things you can invest in is an emergency fund. This savings account is dedicated strictly to emergencies and unexpected events such as job loss, medical bills, or vehicle repairs. A high-yield savings account will let you earn interest over time while you save. The recommended amount for an emergency fund is 3 to 6 months for a basic living expenses. Get started saving by investing that $100 into a high-interest account to help it grow. Number 8. Invest in dividend stocks. Stable companies that perform well on a regular basis often offer dividends to their stakeholders. Even if you only buy one stock, if it's a dividend stock, you can reinvest the dividends and buy more stock. This way, you increase your portfolio without depleting your bank account. Number 9. Invest in ETFs. Mutual funds usually aren't an option with just $100. They often require much larger initial investments. Enter ETFs. ETFs are professionally managed funds of up to hundreds of securities, so you instantly get diversification with just one investment. A great place to start is Stash. You can start investing in ETFs with any amount you want. Stash makes it possible to purchase fractions of ETFs, which is how you can invest with $5 or less. They pool ETFs by category, making it easier for you to decide where to invest your money. Number 10. Open a Christmas Club account. Saving money is great, but it can be way too easy to withdraw that money when tempted. That's why a Christmas Club account can be a great place to put your $100 investment. You get paid a small amount of interest, but you have to pay a penalty if you withdraw your money before November 1st, hence the festive name. Sure, you can use this money to save for the holidays, which will keep you from charging a bunch of gifts to your credit card at once. Or you can simply use it to bulk up your bank account. To learn more about top 10 amazing ways to save money with low income 2021, click into this video right here. And if you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.